In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning Instagram posts using GIMP, perfect for beginners. Whether you're looking to boost your social media presence or simply share some creativity with the world, this guide will help you design eye-catching posts with ease. Let's dive right into the first step, launching GIMP and creating a new canvas. Instagram posts have a square format, so you'll want to set your canvas size to 1080 by 1080 pixels. This is the standard size for Instagram, ensuring that your image will look crisp and sharp on users' feeds without any awkward cropping. Once you've opened GIMP, click on File and then New. In the dialog box that appears, enter 1080 in both the width and height fields, making sure the units are set to pixels. Hit OK and your blank canvas will appear, ready for creativity. Now that you have your canvas, it's time to add a background or an image. This will form the base of your design. You can choose a solid color background, a gradient, or import an image that you want to feature. To add a solid color, use the Bucket Fill tool from the toolbox and pick your desired color from the color palette. For an image, go to File, select Open as Layers, and browse your computer to find the image you want to use. This way, it'll be added directly onto your canvas, and you can adjust its position and size as needed by using the tools from the Layer menu. With your background set, the next step is to insert text, shapes, or additional graphics to bring your post to life and convey your message. To add text, select the Text tool from the toolbox, click on your canvas, and type away. You can customize the font, size, and color in the text options that appear. If you want to include shapes or graphics, use the Rectangle or Ellipse Select Tool to create custom shapes, then fill them with color or pattern. You can also import graphics or icons by using the Open as Layers option, adding more personality and detail to your post. Finally, when you're happy with your design, it's time to export it for upload. Go to File and choose Export As. In the dialog box, make sure to select PNG as your format, as this will preserve the quality and give you a file ready for Instagram. After naming your file and choosing the location to save it, hit Export. Another window with PNG export options will appear. Simply confirm by clicking Export again. Your design is now saved on your computer and ready to share with the world on Instagram. So there you have it. An easy and straightforward way to create visually engaging Instagram posts using GIMP. With a bit of practice and exploration of GIMP's various tools, you can create professional-looking posts that captivate your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!